Okay, so this is section 3.3, question number 5. The instructions here just say to differentiate, so let's jump right in. Alright, so the first step is figure what it's asking for. The question directly says it's looking for a derivative. We're going to need to use two derivative rules. And of course, this is just practice. You help start to memorize what the derivative rules are. The first term there, the theta, it's basically you're going to use the polynomial derivative rule. And for the sine term, you're just going to use the derivative of sine, which is cos x. So let's talk about the symbols real quick. Just remember that the theta is just a variable. So you treat it the exact same way you would x, y, p, m, q, or if you want to choose an arbitrary programming name like ham sandwich, it doesn't really matter. And get used to the idea that there's going to be a lot of bizarre variables, because as you get into engineering and physics and natural sciences, you'll have things like phi or mu. Okay, so now we're on to taking the derivative. The first thing I want to point out is that there's actually a little multiplication there, even though there's no like star or x to indicate it, between the theta squared and the sine x. Whenever you see a multiplication of two variables, that means you're going to have to use the power rule. So what we do here is we take the derivative with respect to theta of sine x for the first term, and the second term we leave sine x alone and we take the derivative with respect to theta of that theta squared. So the derivative of sine theta with respect to theta is just cos. So the first term, the sine just changes to a cos. For the second term, basically what you're doing is you're moving that old power, that 2 in front, and you're subtracting 1 from the existing power. On this step, I've basically rewritten the first term, nothing's changed. In the second term, I've done the basic math of 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And of course, we normally don't really write to the powers of 1, so I just dropped that off here. And I moved the 2 theta in front because it looks a little bit better, and that's it. The problem is solved. There's nothing more to it than just recognizing that, oh, multiplication, I need to use a power rule. And just remembering that you can treat theta the same way you treat x or y or any other variable. And then just figure out which rules you need from your table and apply them. Hopefully it helped. If you're looking for another problem, just feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm probably going to go through these one by one, but if you're, say, on chapter 5 and section 3 and you just need a question answered, go ahead and just let me know which one. Or you can email me a copy of the problem if you're using a different textbook. My email address is in the description. Please like this video so other people can see it, and have a great day. Bye.